Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to allow your voice in live streams or broadcasts on your PlayStation, and also how to share it with your friends. So on your PlayStation 4, what we want to do is go to the top, then go to the right and go to settings. Scroll on down until we get to where it says sharing and broadcast. Then under here, let's go to audio sharing settings. Then we want to checkmark all three of these. So include microphone, audio, and video clips. We can checkmark this. Then go to include microphone, audio, and broadcast, checkmark this, and then go to share party audio. This says video clips and broadcasts will include all players in the party who allow their voices to be shared. And this will override the following two settings above it. So we want to have those checkmarked, then we want to back up, then we want to create a party. So we can go to the party screen on the home screen here. So let's go to party and join a party or do a closed party, etc. But go to where it says party audio settings right here and select this. Then we want to scroll on down to it says allow your voice to be shared. Go to always allow. And this says select always allow to include your voice in other players' broadcasts and video clips when you're in a party. So if you're live streaming and your friend's voice isn't being heard, well, they have to go to this section right here and go to always allow to be included in your live streams. So make sure you're doing that so your friend can be heard, and it seems like you're not talking to yourself when you're. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.